Okay, in today's video, Abra is going to do her intermediate scent work. All right, we have a treat and her toy. All right. Abra is in the blind. It's an outdoor building. She can't see out. The window's way up there. The other windows are real tall. So she's just a little girl. She can't see out. Okay, Abra. I need you to move away from the door. Come on. Move over. Good girl. Let me go outside, okay? I'm going to hide your stuff. Back up. Stay. Stay. Okay, so this is area 1 from the chain link fence to the cones, all the way down to those trees at the fence. Area 2 is over there in the sandbox. All right, so in area 1, I'm going to hide her squeaker. Put it in here. There we go. Let's hide her treat over here in area 2. Let's see. It has to be 1 to 2 feet off the ground. So let's set it up here in the window. Okay. All right, Abra's over there. Let's go get her. All right, Abra. Come on, girl. Let's go. Okay, hold up. Let me get everything gathered. Find your toy. Find your toy, Abra. Find your toy. Gotta stay inside the cones, baby. Abra, over here. Find your toy. Find your toy. Good girl. Good job. You found it? Yes, good job. Okay, good girl. Come on. Let's go find your treat. Find your treat. Find your treat. Find your treat. Good girl. Good job. Good girl, Abra.